think before I get on to the infrastructure, the thing I want to say is I think with planning, it's so obtuse. I think the system that we've got at the moment makes it deliberately hard for people to understand, to engage, to work out what's happening on our doorstep, and then it's too late. Yeah. And this seems to be happening in a consistent thing. So what Adrian has done, what a lot of the team have been trying to do, I've been with Adrian at Portsmouth's Garden Centre trying to educate people on what this actually means. It's so hard to get our heads around. I mean, infrastructure is one of the points there. So, I mean, we already know our roads, and let's be frank, our roads are not great. They're not good right now. And the potholes, the existing, we already are a logistics hub. And the HGVs that are coming through are shredding our roads, and they are not, those businesses are not putting in to our infrastructure. We're seeing the exact same thing here. They're not thinking about the community, they're not thinking about what we need, and it's going to cause an additional strain, as everyone has already said. I don't want to sort of go into it too much, but it is important that we understand the detail. And one of the things I wanted to share about the detail that I don't think anyone's really said too much about yet is the energy park, the so-called energy park, as Councillor Haycock put it. People, when you think of an energy park, we think of they're going to generate energy. It's going to be really good. It's going to be something that can be put back into the community, perhaps. But what people, and I don't know how many people are aware of this, is that our energy connectivity issues in not only just Northamptonshire, but across the UK, they are not good. We need more connectors that go into the grid so that we can export. So if we have a big solar farm, they should be putting a connector in with this energy park. Otherwise, all of that energy is just going to support those warehouses. That is what it's going to be doing. That is the current proposal as it stands. So that is something that's really important to understand. It's not an energy park. It's just fueling more warehouses. So I think we need to understand that. Also, the fact that they've got warehouses and they've got solar farm right next to it, where all local people have been asking for years and years, is put solar on the warehouses, at least do that. And they haven't even done that on this new application that's coming through. They are not listening to local people, and that's what's so frustrating. This could be an interesting project, this could be a good project. If they have to put some solar on warehouses somewhere, they've got Symmetry Park. They've got a half-built, massive warehouse that's been gutted the landscape. They haven't even finished those warehouses yet. And that's because of, well, I won't speculate, but there's lots of reasons why that is. But why? Why are we not finishing those warehouses and making use of those first? So let's try and, this is why we have to say something, raise our voice. We're trying to make things as easy as possible. So come over and have a chat with us, but they do make it deliberately hard. Do not let the system stop you from using your voice, because this is your community and it's going to impact our children and next generations to come for so many years. Once that space is gone, it is gone.